Welcome to this tutorial on Get-WmiObject, a powerful PowerShell command that allows you to query Windows Management Instrumentation classes. In this lesson, you'll learn how to retrieve system information from your computer using this essential PowerShell cmdlet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to query various WMI classes to access hardware, software, and configuration data from your Windows system. Get-WmiObject is a PowerShell cmdlet that retrieves management information from both local and remote computers. Its primary purpose is to query WMI classes, giving you access to detailed system hardware, software, and configuration data. The key feature of this cmdlet is that it provides direct access to the Windows Management Instrumentation repository, which is a comprehensive database of system information maintained by Windows. The basic syntax for Get-WmiObject is straightforward. You type Get-WmiObject, followed by the hyphen class parameter, and then specify the class name you want to query in angle brackets. The hyphen class parameter is essential because it tells PowerShell which specific WMI class you want to retrieve information from. This is the foundation of all WMI queries in PowerShell. Here's a simple practical example. When you run Get-WmiObject with the hyphen class parameter set to Win32_operating system, PowerShell retrieves comprehensive operating system information. This includes details such as the Windows version, build number, and system directory. This is one of the most commonly used WMI classes because it gives you essential information about the operating system running on your computer. There are several commonly used WMI classes you should know. Win32_computer system provides computer hardware information. Win32_processor gives you CPU details and specifications. Win32_logical disk returns disk drive information, including storage capacity. And Win32_service provides the status of Windows services running on your system. These four classes cover most basic system administration needs. You can filter your WMI query results to get more specific information. By using the hyphen filter parameter, you can query specific objects based on their property values. For example, Get-WmiObject-class Win32_service -filter with the value state equals single quote running single quote will return only the services that are currently running on your system. This filtering capability makes your queries more efficient and focused. To display only specific properties from your WMI query results, you can pipe the output to select -object. For instance, Get-WmiObject-class Win32_logical disk pipe to select -object device ID, size, free space will show you just the drive letter, total size, and available free space for each disk. This technique helps you focus on the exact information you need without being overwhelmed by all available properties. Let's review the key points. First, Get-WmiObject retrieves system information through WMI classes. Second, you use the hyphen class parameter to specify which information to query. Third, you can filter results with the hyphen filter parameter for more targeted queries. And finally, you can combine Get-WmiObject with select -object to display only specific properties you're interested in. With these fundamentals, you're ready to start exploring system information using PowerShell and WMI.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.